You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And you don't know, say I love me, say, you know what I mean? And thanks to everybody that's been supporting the movement thus far. Thanks to everybody that's been, whether sending likes, shares, comments, and all them something that I appreciate you. You know what I mean? And for those who sponsor movies, sponsor just moments and all them something there, and come on, say, easy for everybody handling and sit back to school soon forward again and so forth. So anybody you don't know yourself who has done it before and continuously, I appreciate it. I don't want to call on him, come and think, I don't want to call on him. I don't call on him, but big up on yourself, you don't know yourself. Yeah, man, so this one is called My Color, My Choice. Everybody asks me, say, Public, which side I chose? You're up on the green side or you're up on the orange side? Hey, I say Jamaica. You know what I mean? So my flag, wave your flag, wave your, you know what I mean? I mean that, I say for the culture. But at the end of the day, if I was to choose a party, I would choose Jesus. Praise the Lord. Well, guess I know. Right now, as I said, this is My Color, My Choice. So watch it. Who don't watch it who don't watch it yet, they're going to enjoy the fact that I put it together 1 and 2. I don't know if I'm going to go episode 3. I'm not sure. So I'm not telling us, boy, I'm not going to promise. And say I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it and all them something. I'm not sure. Based on circumstances, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's episode 1 and episode 2 at the same place. Watch it, man. Who watched it already? Go watch it again, enjoy it, you know what I mean? And then share it, you know what I mean? Send it to your WhatsApp status or Facebook or whatever the case may be. Send it out, man. You know what I mean? Make your thing go. Build up your thing, because we are built. And as I always say, I'm a work in progress, you know what I mean? And yeah, all the comments, I see them. I don't want to feel like I can't take criticism or something. I can take it, you know what I mean? But no back in your party, give me it, you know what I mean? Because, I'm not that guy, you know what I mean? So, at the end of the day, respect and manners to everybody. And as I say, work in progress, we're getting stuff done, we're on the journey, and we go forward. You can talk to me, man. Talk to me. Tell me what I want, you know what I mean? Yeah. That's somebody pick me, Yeah, mother love me, Yeah, mother tell me something special, Yeah, mama babe last boy, eh? Yes. I'm have a song soon forward. Me know the ask about it, we rise. You know what I mean? It soon drop very soon. Me wait for this distribution thing to clear up or something. Me chat too much, so watch 1 and 2 together and thanks again. Alright? This is Public Report. You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. I smile.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Public Report, yeah. I miss another one for the people. I mean, you tell you say, what's your color? What's your choice? Why you don't respect me for the color that I choose? Hey, you acting a fool, and we're living under one roof. You say green and I say orange, that's my choice. Baby, you. Why every girl they call Pinky got a stinky attitude?
One. I was the messed up. I was the messed up. I must be dead jumped up. I know over your son. I must be
Crazy, crazy. What? Hey, you acting a fool, and we're living under one roof. You say green and I say orange, that's my choice. Baby, you. Why every girl they call Pinky got a stinky attitude? Anything what you say still, but me I choose what me choose.
one.
What you mean something to go on? I can't take the problem, Yo.
Give me this.
What music it?
Take it off.
I want me look.
And it's not really coming out with. What on there?
What?
Me never see this appliance. Me say last night you're drunk. And sneak come in the house with that there. No, you know, say in a real life, no. Take it off. Take it off. You're too hot, either. And shame and disgrace and bring up on me. Take it off. Give me. Give me it.
One to you.
You know what I say? Me sorry say me there with you.
What me say sorry say
Me sorry say me there with you. Because you don't please me now way you're supposed to please me now. Eh? What you do with this color upon you?
What do you mean what color upon?
You sick? Man, me tell you say look sitting there when they show me, make a take you off, you know.
Jeez, I'm picking.
You sick?
Pinky, yo, relax the man. Yo. Me understand why is it that when you come on to them at time, you just get mad, you just get sick in your head. Eh? Nothing. I'll release me gear, don't want you dash it fling it upon me. Want you? You have to stop certain things, man.
You know, say your crosses.
What do you mean say me a
Or
cross?
your pestilence. Listen to me now.
Back.
It look like say I beg yourself to there with me. I beg you to there with me. Because it don't look like we don't have a relationship, you know. Me can't just a chat and go down so.
Listen to me. Not because you said that color and me said that color there. You can't make it sound like say me no love you. And because that color me no love you. Come on, no man.
No, listen to me.
You just
Crosses.
relax.
Crosses.
Stop calling me crosses.
It not go
Stop
work between me and you, crosses.
Stop calling me
Crosses. It not go work, you know.
Stop calling me
Crosses.
crosses.
It not go work, you know. Crosses. It not go work. And me don't take my phone, get up like you can. Me take a same shoes and knock you out with it.
Which take the same shoe and knock you out. Hey, stop calling me crosses. Me tell you say me like them named calling. You don't like me call a dirty girl. And you come talk about crosses.
Oh, you have to joke in this.
How is joke thing?
If me and the dirty girl, I would pick me up. But yes, me I really want dirty girl to choke. I'm gonna pick up something like you.
That's great, man.
Me I really want dirty girl. Cause what is this me pick up?
What means what is this?
What is this? Eh?
No, so.
No, look for you. Look at the lights. Okay, look for you.
You mean to look for me? Pink, Pinky, stop.
You like your writing?
Alright. What am I give you so make you feel like say? It color make a difference. Eh? What am I give you so?
Hello?
Eh?
When me I get my little dividends?
Me not want none. Take it and do what
When
you
I get
do.
my little dividends? You know. But look for me. Don't me look good. Eh?
It's not about look good.
Then I give you nothing that see you look so.
How look? So me look.
If me don't make you look good, you can't look good none time. So no come talk to me about what them I give me here.
Right, up in your mind, so.
Crosses.
Listen.
And this already coming.
Mr. Stop call me crosses.
Me a woman in the yard, you know.
Stop call me crosses.
Me a woman in the yard.
Yeah.
So me run things. You understand? So me not understand how you carry.
What do you mean say you run things? Listen, it is not supposed to be a problem. For me, I live in the same roof. And you be that the color there and maybe this a color. Hey, stop me,
No,
relax.
alright, listen, watch out. No rest for the wicked. I make sure so they pray out like this. No rest for you.
What do you mean say no rest in me? What?
We could become altar that.
Watch it.
No rest for you. Get rid of the green curtain and come chat to me. Can I come like see you sick in your head?
Yeah, me gonna. You only got virgin bulb running around yourself. I'm so far. See? Cause something come like a deer. Yo. Nah, man.
Yeah, man, me mad now. Me mad.
I don't mad now. I'm mad. You act mad now.
Yeah, me mad.
Me never say I'm mad, but you act mad.
Yes. I don't act me, I act man. Me answer on mine. Come out and go on.
You know something like you.
Damn crosses.
Alright, so at the time of the month and the year, because they go give you a little money so you feel like say you have power now to come here and come mash up your household. We in here so and we live good and
Which
we
household? Anything holy, go on where they go. Go on. Anything holy ever leak, go on. Like say you must say holy. Go on. Rubbish.
That's what I'm telling you where holy and leak.
Oi. You get way here? You get way. I can see you come back in with Grassy. I don't lock him on. Come back in here. Rubbish.
Yeah. Yeah, Why you there, rude boy, why you? Sometimes I have to wonder still, sometimes, rude boy. Brother, me say, me know if I try me reach it early this morning or what, but you man just a get on me top of my brain that, yo.
Yeah.
Brother, I'm saying me long a bit and me did and me have to remember say with Kirsch for me. Because I remember say last time when we are forward, you tell say, you know what I mean? Me go just hold a cover. You know what I mean? Cause breeze in a blow. Cool!
Yeah.
Brother, I have on the kerchief and I have to realize the kerchief is green. See the woman now gonna make a scene. And
The
the
excitement.
The excitement this morning.
So, can't tell your neighbor they just a listen to business. And
Brother, I feel like an idiot that me I tell you.
but right now, me think you're an idiot because to
Brother.
you deal with them more while you me have to wonder sometime you're not left yet. But
Brother, yo.
you must know still, you know.
And no matter say I must know situation, but based on the fact say, anytime you come on to them election time, brother, and only thing she get is a little, maybe 3,000, and I promise her if you drop one little mile around this and wait.
3,000.
Yeah.
That no money.
And no money that, and she got along like say, boy, relationship is at stake, bro.
Boy, yeah, some people are serious about them color still, you know, me
At
G.
that.
That's why I not to follow up them something there, you know.
But I realize few things,
Yeah,
bro.
man, me colorless, man. I know, tell the truth. Can't believe, say. I really so. Mama deal with them, my youth. Swear. Right now, if I'm in, one shame. That's why you see my woman now. You see, she come spend 1 week with me, she have to go. Cause what? Can't manage the excitement. Then say live with me and see me at two different something, you know, man. Cause watch out, man. Me live with her, you know, but I've just 4 to 5 days.
Yo, let me
Yeah,
tell you
man.
something. Few things set different, you know. Because we don't know the reason why, you know. Because you have multiple women. You know what I mean? You mean?
Sure.
And you're the man where, you know what I mean? I'm going to say, you teach me how to really do certain things. Because it needs a one burner from morning. So it's sometimes, most time what happens now is that when I feel like I can't do it, I just say, yo, I can't do it because I can't fulfill certain things. But anyway, bro, yo, I'm tell you right now, I talk about the woman, brother. I talk about the fact that the woman has to stress certain things about this color business, brother. Can't believe, bro.
No, no, we are my friend. I know you feel away. If you say sleep, you sleep, and the woman.
Yo,
Brother,
the woman, you wait me,
who one elbow for me and you?
brother, yo.
Watch out, watch out.
You
You have to do it in a groove.
Yo, look at this, yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I stopped, woman stopped me last time, brother, me that.
Here,
Stop, woman stop me, brother. But it's like, me not say,
no,
you know,
sir.
me not say me that,
no.
brother, me not say me weak or irritating, but
Mm.
sometimes you just can't, brother G, man, tell you.
Jack,
Can't, brother, right now.
boy, as they attack, one of the time them me call up one of me, look how Philly them round the street.
But,
So she come give me a link when done. So I asked her, I say me there go and base off. Watch out, man.
yo,
Your story too hard for me still, you know. I can't manage she and meds for your story right now, you know, because I have a whole heap of things for my brain to right now, you know, my friend.
realize.
Yeah, man. As we say, multiple women right now I drop more and drop some of them, my friend, because some of them to a crosses to my
Crosses,
friend.
that's
Yeah,
all.
man.
Alright, yeah.
See it as me say it, a little Korean
You
drop.
drop, but
Why?
what me I say still, see, remember the money where you say, when I gave you $5,000 last night, and you say I go buy one thing outside, and you say in a shop then couldn't change the money, right? And I say, you still have money for you can give back the change?
Yeah, say they don't have me yard.
Don't get yard.
But me now go down there, so
Nah,
I
go
tell
down
you,
there,
say, girl, me a wait for my friend. Probably, nah lie, probably me borrow one 2,000 what the girl a call link me.
Call link you.
Just come give.
No problem, man. Yo, me a friend,
Me
you know.
laugh my youth
Me
a
a
while
friend,
ago,
that's cool, man.
cause to you just, me don't even remember about you, you know, cause me take off my pants, you know, you, me just throw you one place, you know, and drop asleep, so, you know.
I understand. How you say
Remember
everything
about
good.
your
Everything
friend.
good. Me a friend in real life, brother. So, me not really worry myself like say rope straps. But like I really, I move forward.
No, so me looking for, cause me young, I look for vice round there, you know, so me a look. Kinda
Brother,
shit.
as me I say, bro,
Yo,
yo,
you say we are there, circle road, look more.
I circle the road, brother. Cause yo, if you see me one pass the road,
Me
cause,
beard already, you know, me now go, you know.
Nah, go.
And tomorrow morning again, you know.
alright, don't worry yourself,
Yes, man, tomorrow morning again.
Alright, do it, man, do it. But yo, I take my time going.
What you say, look more? Are you not sure?
Me go talk to her and see what she
You
a
go
deal with
talk
first.
to
Yeah,
her.
when me hear what she a deal with, then me know exactly.
Something wrong with the future, you know, my
Brother,
friend.
don't worry yourself, man. Yo,
Are you, cause all of what they happen to you, they happen now, you know. You know though.
like how?
Because they just...
No,
You're
brother,
good,
it's
you're
just
good.
no
Watch out,
more want
man.
her for good, bro. That's
You're
the type
good, man,
problem.
still. Me
You
like
must
how
want
you
her
deal
for alright,
Yeah,
bro.
man, watch out, man. Me like how you deal with the thing. A ladies, gentleman you are.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
continue.
I said me grew up, man, I just have a problem, but here I know. I not say what like based on circumstances me can't change, but brother, you just can't take certain guy. Right now the only problem I have are just the colour thing what she has stressed about daddy. You understand? You can't
Right. Don't tell me say anytime she ready to in an argument again. Instead I say go out the door and look outside.
be a green. Be a green, brother. Me I tell you something. If you see if me in that thing right now, you know, say I green, me not really say roof trap stuff. I them are anything, bro. They never anything.
Watch out.
Me look how much years.
Watch out. Greenery all around.
Brother,
my
me say
friend.
right now, that me I say right now, but everything good still. But yo, what say? So if you ever voted?
No, my friend. Nah, me tell you something colorless, my friend. Me not try no voting right now because I can frequently do what me want and go where me want to go. Cause right now, man, a pre-man kill man in a color, you know. From young, me see that happen. So right now, I can't manage that, my friend.
Alright. Yo, winning cup. Respect our man.
So,
Yeah,
yeah, man, we there, man.
yeah, sure, boy. See?
Yeah, man.
So we talk. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
You fix your senses then. Guys, me not understand it, you know. Me not understand you. Imagine. You really come and go ask me fix what I'm for you. Me not you tell you me not cook for you. Eh? You deaf? Me say, watch out. Yeah, be a orange to my system. Watch out. Orange can. How you come from? Don't look for me, say, you know. Don't look for me, so.
You know, so you make people want them to eat at night place because people are here, you're cussing and going and I talk about this party thing and this orange and this color business. You take this thing too far.
Watch out. Somebody had been me buy them out through because. Sure.
What?
Somebody beg me to buy them after them.
Babe, me hungry. Me hungry. Pinky, me hungry, your man hungry. And because I this is sitting up on your head, you really want. I can't believe it really come down to this already.
You know what I say? Who beg now get who no beg no one.
I don't beg me, I beg you.
Who beg a junk crew, who no beg a dog.
Who buy them?
Right, what?
Who buy them?
Remember who buy them?
Who buy them put in the house?
You're lucky. Whether you buy them or not, me nah make no me give you. So go back out, they go make one of your friends away to that thing. Take off for you. Come like come like say who I want to display. Come like say your lip chip. Your lip chip. Eh? You're like crazy. Eh? Come like somebody that no sense. If you think so you're bad.
Do what?
If you think so you're bad,
Do what?
this have made them not burn you up with this. You're mad. Hey, don't ramp with me now. Oh.
Everything good, man. You see what's sweet you? I go sour you.
I see me go sour you, radam. Rubbish.
Can't believe this no come down to today.
You're lucky. You're lucky.
Alright, so what you gonna do if
see your mouth a drain for me juice, you not get none of that.
So what you gonna do if this a color people them lose, eh? What you gonna do? Run come ball to me. No come ball to me, no.
I rebuke your dirty mouth.
No come ball to me and say, I mean salt you up like the last time, you know. Cause that you say last time. And me I feel hush you like say me a, hey, I wonder if me an idiot. I wonder if me a real idiot to beef ball. Eh? Yeah man, Bill, so true.
You know what I say? You know what I say? You come like one big dirty joke. Me just can't stop laughing off of you. You know see?
Me not sure.
Yeah.
You go tap soon, man. Wait, man.
Watch out. Crosses, man. Crosses. Make part of my soup that shit. Me say me not top color crosses. Cool it. Watch out.
I tell you for find crosses.
Watch out. Look there. Cool it. Crosses, man.
No, sir, me
Tell
can't.
me where you come from. Where you sell your shoes eh?
Where you do my shoes them?
Me don't want them in here. Me don't want the color them in here. Me don't chat. Rubbish.
Pinky. You sound like I want mad somebody.
You never know.
Eh? Alright, look at it now. Look at it now. if me were to say politics, I'm going to speak politics now. See? You don't see progress what go on in that country. You don't see everything up. You don't want to follow what go on technology. Hey, me I talk to you. When you go some places.
Go on, chat.
Go on, chat.
Go on, chat.
When you go some places. Where the?
Go on, chat.
What you do with my shoes then? Don't like my shoes. Pinky, do not put fire to my shoes. So what me go wear? That's Christ, I really come like say you want to me that. What you doing? Jesus and pity most. Pinky, me no depend on certain things. Me a call you, hey, me a call you dirty auntie. Me a call you dirty.
Go on, chat, say me not insecure mode. Go on, chat.
Me a call you auntie and say something have to go on. You have to go on either Bellevue. What you put the right and say in orange
No,
drink.
go on, chat.
When claim say.
Go on, chat.
Me go on chat.
Go on, chat, you see. Go on, chat, you see.
If you tape you and make you look for yourself and listen to yourself. How you sound dunce. Let's talk politics, me say already. Everywhere you go now, you can say why you have Wi-Fi service. You see if a bus them come down in that town. No, the town pretty and clean, nobody no feel. Hey, I want you to see the place Jamaica is now, close to America. Look on it now. When people are driving a car, they have to buck up their seat and put them in a back seat with seat belt. They must say that go on. Because people feel, no like principle. You just feel loose. Dirty style. Eh?
Man, I got even a busy come. I could have really get this madman in a clean clothes.
Madman in clean clothes.
Me sorry, send me there with you.
You have so much years the other color around things. And you still around behind time.
Alright, go on your park and mouth. Okay, everything what you have to go back to you next year.
Go back to you next years. Dunce people. Alright, guess what I'm going to ask if you say?
Don't like your poop.
And if you say this now, it go determine if you're smart or not. Eh? Because only dunce people can sell linoleum. Sell linoleum. Sell linoleum. Sell linoleum out your mouth. Say it.
Linoleum.
Yes, me know. See?
Me lucky.
Me lucky.
Me said, me can say that Jamaica this.
Jamaica
As Jamaica this. Chat as always.
Yeah.
Everything good.
Everything good.
Me lucky.
Another.
Another.
Yeah, man. I say fine who done so smart.
Lucky.
Lelo.
Oh.
Everything good, man. But I mean, I tell you, I don't know walk up. And then right after the election done and everything settled, and you're going to lose. Don't cry to me. You hear me say?
Ball to God, and I got me to go back.
Yeah,
all right. Yeah, I got it.
Everything good, man. I'm done something to say. Yeah? Yeah, man.
The last time, I the color they buy me fan. I know you mash up and feel color can buy with fan in it. She say he a kill me. You know, say I walk this touch him like, hey, let me tell you something, you know.
What? So why not like to work?
Listen to me.
Why not like to work for your things
Listen
then?
to me, remember now work. Your soul starts see me with my paper and my pen and walk around.
I do what? I
What
collect what?
do you mean by?
And when the money done, what happen next? When the money done, what happen next? Answer my question. Miss Lover of this color. Rubbish. That is what you are today. I can't believe me back the same word for you. Rubbish. Nonsense. Eh? You're coming like a caterpillar when I go nowhere.
You come like I don't want class today, you know. I don't want class, you know.
I'm cool. I'm go in the kitchen, go fix myself something. Everything good.
You come like a lunatic where you walk out or just walk with the L. Hey, I start with you now, I this say no boy. You play with me now.
You can't diss me. You know that?
You come like a lunatic, you only walk out with the L, I this you. Oh.
Everything good, man. You know, man, when I go trace with you, because I tell you the facts.
No, it's like I'm the man and you're the woman.
Truth hurts, you know. Who can take it off his bird, yeah? Truth hurts. You go and suck up your thing, yeah?
Listen to me now. Listen to me. After you're hungry, make you go and so. Yeah. Hungry, I kill you. Right. See that white scale left on your mouth corner, you're hungry. And me make you hungry, go away. Allow me alone. I don't know what I sleep so day and night, I know. I know, I say, hello! Me I talk to you.
Something come like you really get. Everything good. You go through a phase, a monkey phase you go through. That I think.
How you go through? One gorilla phase.
Everything good.
You don't see monkey them when you feel right.
You can't bother with you. Yo, give me this. Backside. Where my shoes? Do you really like my shoes? Don't you get it?
Man. No long day so wait for you. But I realize you like you go somewhere. Where you go? Let me hear laugh.
Are you me a calling? What you mean when me a go?
Chew you nice up on something, I don't know.
Oh, so did you want me wear bush clothes to look for you?
God, me never said that either.
Oh.
Give me a hug. And then well, you know. Why?
So you not go out that?
That's what I forgot to say. Sorry, my manners.
That good still, so.
Sorry, my manners.
But why we have to link up yesterday?
Cause you know, if you tell the truth, though, I chew me the on the road already and I want to go around my yard and walk, come back, we out to again for me. You know, then you hear them just say me I do just do one thing and done.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, it makes sense just do one thing and done. Kind of makes sense more go way around so and walk come way back up here so.
But last night, where did the last night?
Boy, you know, I feel laugh. You know why I laugh? Cause I don't think you're going to believe me.
Bobby, you promised me. So you come to church last night.
You don't know.
You promised me.
You don't know. Say I beard. No, go in. Say me I go beard and come out back and press and everything. You don't know. Say me go drop asleep. Yeah.
You hear a statement we make a while ago?
What that?
You say you go in your beard, you go back out, and then you press, and then you drop asleep.
No, me never say me go back out.
Say. You did want me for record you because you say you go back out. That means you go back.
No, me never go back out.
You never have no intention to come to church
no,
last night.
for true, me did go in, take a beard, press, and me did it say me I wait upon time for run up for the call link you. And me go lock me eye them. Me didn't even know when me lock me eye them. Me just drop asleep so.
You want to take this thing serious? If you want to take this thing
What you
serious,
No,
if you want a serious relationship with me, you have to come to church. God have to involve in this. Or else you not go work.
So where you go now?
What you mean when me I go?
Church.
Me not go to church. What you come look for? What?
Me no say nothing. So me I wonder how you just green out so.
Me just, you know, see, I didn't make me sip on the top of it. I just me sip on it in the top of my jaw. And I just draw on this and I just take up my green bag. Nothing like it. What?
I say nothing. I say you see green beautiful. Look at the grass. Look at the beautiful grasses and flowers is.
Exactly.
Yeah man, so, and fruits is.
But wait. I want to just ask me about green so. You in a party thing too? Eh?
No, sir. Colorless.
Anyway, green is just a color. And the other color is just a color. So any color me feel like to wear, me go wear. Me not in them the type of things like me a Christian maybe. You understand? So if me feel like me want to go down the road, go support somebody, and if me see it clothes in any color, that the color them me go buy. It not really matter to me. You understand? So no make this fool like at this me feel like for wear today.
You look good to see you, baby. Come on.
Come on, way.
We are good on.
Bobby, you not tell me say you want to stop smoke. And you still a smoke. If you not stop,
watch out. See them, rub you out. See there. You see it?
After you done most of it.
But I chew me the ass out wait for you. How long me have to have company to you know? Come on.
I don't know what kind of company that.
just sit down so you know like you have nothing to do.
What you mean? No work with this?
Eh? Bar can pay.
It'll pay me though.
You come to ask so. Friend to friend. Me and friend one time. That's true.
What you really want to ask me now?
You not vote.
Maybe? Do you see the color I am in? I don't know, really see. Me in a red, purple, blue, yellow, or what else? I saw the color. But I need a green or orange and none of them with the power shirt. Read on my tights.
So
Them not benefit me enough. Cause all of me vote, I said things will happen. The party them are the same thing. None of them are different.
Man, I can't talk about my party. Man, all you
If you can say the same party,
listen to me, man, I talk about you know. Mine, because if you ever make a mistake and say something bad about my party, me I have it all right as so. Hear me tell you?
and you go ask me not vote. And I tell you why me not vote. What is the issue? I am not voting. Because they not help me out. Right now I host me one for the right now the door. I leave me vote. That now comes.
Why they palm pending? That's why all it takes is to just vote. Vote. V-O-T-E, vote.
I ink up to me hand. No, me alright.
No, I really depend on you, depend on you. Now you are going. Let's start seeing the paper, my pen, and me have go on and look for vote. Where say everybody want to vote. So, you are working and waste my time now. I mean, I tell you, say, you need to vote. Yes, no, that's not a deal there. Eh?
No, then good up.
Eh? The piece of house you have, the little piece of bowl house you have, you know, Solitex sword.
No. My board was well comfortable, well alright. It all have a king. What I mean?
I'm on the top 10
My-
line. I'm on the top 10
You
line.
want me to carry me
I'm
alright
on
now?
the near you know so that the house you have dropped through. I'm on
Let me carry me alright
You
now.
wicked and right.
Say you want me to carry me on.
You see, on the Easter, they will come up and sit in. And then the time the people they carry bun and cheese come and give a little.
Me look hungry? You said me look hungry. Me look hungry?
You're
I'm
really,
not
you know,
hungry.
you're really not vote because your daughter has to feel the don't and it's already. You see, me tell us you're hungry, me say.
Where I tell you about the cheese
Easter, they come up, they carry bun and cheese come give you and they carry little dividends come give you put in your pocket. But you know, you see, through your don't and me your friend, me don't want people pass and hear me I tell about this and make me like a bigger don't say, you know what, see long back, it's alright. It's alright. You see it?
I two guns in there.
Make a hurry up and go on, you see? You see, you always say me done this and you.
I thought them go say if you two we are friends. I enjoy myself, you know. But busy. I will never marry to me.
Soon, man. Soon.
So I get an head and that's a song.
No, me can't turn my head. I just say, Aki them there look pan still. I know me there count them.
We are con Aki for.
I mean, no,
Me
no,
ya
me-
talk yes, I have talk about ya con Aki. But we come
Yeah.
like you not take this thing
No,
serious.
me never say me not take it serious. Why me say me wanna take it serious? Show me turn my head.
Yes.
Soon, man. I go get married soon, man. Soon. Believe in Bulby.
Me can't continue to do this, you know, and you not come to church and you don't want to get married to me.
Church. Yeah, come to church, man. Know yourself, man. Next week you go see me.
Next week.
Mm-hmm.
So why not this week?
No, man. This week me have my funeral I go.
It's about
Yeah,
and when
man.
next week come, why excuse you go give me for next week?
Boy, I don't know anything about me. I tell you the truth. Me I come to church the day there. Next week. I wish there again. Sunday.
Yes, Sunday.
I put it down on my calendar.
So you have a calendar, you work with a calendar?
Because me no want to forget, sir. You know, say every morning you might know say one little event to come up. You put it down on it so that you don't forget.
But me always tell her the day before.
Alright, just No, you not have to remind me, man. Me go remember. Me go remember.
Oh, so I'm not supposed to remind her.
Cause me got my calendar and me I put it down on my phone too so that
Promise me. So you'll come at church next week Sunday.
promise.
Mm. Promise?
Wait no.
Hello?
My mother always tell me say still in a promise that comfort to a fool. So it don't make sense you put up a promise finger like I don't want to take you for fool, you know. But me I come
That
up.
means so you're not
No.
gonna come.
Yeah.
No, you're not gonna come
Me
because
say me a foul.
me a
And
tell
me and
her
my
to-
brethren a forward at church. Me I carry my brethren with me too.
which
Yeah man.
virgin?
Yeah man. Me a
Which
foul.
brethren?
Yeah man. Me and my brethren a forward at church. Me
So
and
you
my
have
brethren.
to go to church with you have to come at church with
Remember
your
say, you know,
brethren.
yeah man. Be things are going right now and my brethren, that's the truth, my brethren are calling link me frequently right now and me and him have some work to go deal with. And you know, say, from me tell him say like a long time he say he want to go to church too, you know. Yeah man. This morning me and him a reason to and him a tell me say church and me I tell him say yeah man. Me and him a go to church.
So you not talk about church, everything they talk about church.
Cause what you know, a good. No, me good too, you know. But is a man like this in believing in God, you know. Mm-hmm. Believing in God.
Worry, anything you say, you know. But make sure you come at church. Because me can't continue come in your yard, you play up in my garden and then you not do the right thing. Me a Christian, me not even should come in your yard in the first place until you do needful. I become a rate you, me come in your yard.
Great, come on.
Me not like that. You have an ex-woman?
What you talk about?
You have an ex-woman?
No, what you talk about right now. I put that in my brain now if you go get a next woman. Cause you just accuse me of certain things.
Me
I mean,
not
like that.
accuse her, I'm
No,
asking you
because
a
you see, my
question.
brain now, it's like this. It's like a computer. When you receive stuff, you have to take time for service. So you receive and you service up everything what you say. So you know, if you find the right answer for you, but at the moment, I'm alone, me could have pick up.
You could have.
Mm-hmm.
Bulby. How much time I call her name? How many times did I call her name?
Let me can ask that.
How much answer the question?
One that time you call ball before me reach out and so me glass count.
A while ago I call her name. How
Oh,
much time I call her a while ago?
how much time you call me?
I think you say you bring a computer. Obviously that the computer they are malfunction.
Nah, malfunction man, a certain things my brain pick up on fast.
Oh.
You have to talk
But you
certain.
can pick up fast
No.
formats.
No, I know about maths. I know about maths. You
calculation.
ask me how many times you call my name. Where was I? Right in front of where you call my name? Can you hear me there? You know, just touch me so.
No, me not
You know why
need to
you
touch you.
call me name, man? Cause yo, then we say sometime though, are you now make me no want come to church? Cause we know say I got knock me a little bit and I can't manage
You
that.
said to me not gonna get if you come at church.
No, yeah, cause that a your little
why
home
would I nag you?
happiness. No, watch out, man. That a your little happiness. And watch out. You tell us me I go forward at church, but you come like you didn't even believe in me, you know.
Alright, why me not believe in you? Last night I did fi come at church, but
I'm just asleep.
I got road.
Wait.
Me get good source say the day I road with friend in a drink, you know. I mean
I will
attack you
source
about
that.
that. Me
No.
not attack
Let
you
me
about
ask
that,
you
you know.
one
When
question
me
now.
dey at
So let me
church,
ask
you
you
know.
one question now.
And
So
you
you
tell me
hire
say
people
that-
to watch me.
No,
So what make them a watch my life?
because the person
No,
must
I
have
was
me and you talk.
and I was at my home getting ready to go to church and my eyes say sleep, so I
Me
slept.
think you did that iron.
No, I was. You didn't you listening to me what I just said? I said I was getting ready. It could mean anything.
It could mean anything.
Yeah.
Why? Bobby,
Hmm?
I feel like something wrong with you.
What do you mean
But
by
I
that?
say, if you not come to church this Sunday, just know say it's a cut off between me and you. Because me now go continue with this a foolishness where you're depend. Because all the thing I want to do is smoke, drink and go out and
Who
party
tell you
with
that?
friends.
Who tell you
Don't
that?
worry about that. You may think you say your computer pick up anything.
Then no,
Later.
but me not tell you say me a tracker and GPS say I watch who they tell you things. I know who they tell you things. Alright, later.
on, my brother. Give me a second there, please. Give me a second. Fire!
Wait.
Fire, man! Fire! Yo, stop me. I tell you, me not like this something here. Me not like this in here.
Where fire there?
Me not like this in there. Mama! Oh, what kind of color this van? No, sir. You laugh like a joke thing. What kind of color this van, Mama?
What is wrong with you? I'm a color your problem. Oh, so you're one of them party people there.
Jaja.
Well, sorry to burst your bubble. Me not in a day something.
You can't bust this above here,
listen to me,
Mama. You can't bust this
You
above
can't
here.
tell me what kind of clothes to wear. And you're very out of order to see me on the road walking and go and talk about fire.
I don't out me out of
Even
order.
Lord of Jesus
I'm
against
brawling, me
you.
brawling. Mama, if you know what you know, but take off the color there because you don't know win. You don't know win, Mama. Mama, you know that the color there. And this a color you eating, you know. This a color ya.
You know,
Fire part up a fire, man.
you know what
Hey.
hurt me? You guys are so stupid to feel like party is all that. Party is not all that.
Stupid like
Because
your
you
mama.
feel
I'm
like
to
so
the
these people
country
are
uptown,
feeling
girl,
it.
man. I'm to
When
the
these
country
people
uptown,
give you
girl.
a little $3,000, all will cost you for what? 45 minutes, not even an hour.
Mama, who tells
And
you
you come
3,000
in
me I
here
get?
talking
Who
about
tells you
party.
3,000 me I get? Girl, if you ever know who me there with,
That don't have
me there with
nothing
the
to do
top
with
top
me.
one on the team, me there with a bright and out of the
Oh.
You know about me?
Oh, so
You never hear about me?
Top man.
Yes!
Oh.
So me a top girl.
And how that
So
affect
put
me?
respect for my name. Go on. Fire,
that
fire,
affect
man.
me?
Go on with the color. Fire.
Fire party.
Aye! Fire,
You
no come
fire
near me.
upon
Man, no
fire
come near
upon
me.
you.
No
You
come
very
near me.
out of order. You
No
can
come
see
near me.
somebody walking on the road and you come using a dirty mouth to disrespect
Go on up
them.
Pepto Bismol. I done
Like
this
how
one.
your
I
family.
done this under your
Let me tell you
ool.
something.
Under
You
your
see?
ool.
Just because me a Christian.
Under
me-
your
me
ool,
Bible on the
dirty.
bag,
Go on
and me
where they
put
go.
you one side and dip up under your nastiness, you know. Don't bright yourself with
Where's
me,
the
lady.
different who?
You. You're very out
You
of
want
order.
me? Try.
Listen to me. Me have church later. Me can't do just
Oh, you want me?
our
Try.
crisis right about
Come.
now.
Come, dip up.
I
Dip
can
up.
see that you're a little dirty
Dip
girl, you
up.
know.
You never know.
You're
Me
very
say, you never
worthless.
know. You never know. Me say, if you never know, so me dirty.
But I
You never
said
know.
it like this. Father God,
Fire, go on where you go.
cover
Oh,
their blood
cause a girl
because
can't
you
look chat, but a
Jesus.
girl can't touch me, you know. Go on where you go, you know.
I don't want to
Go on
touch
where you
her
go, you know,
because
girl.
you
Go on where you go, you know.
have on the fire.
Me say,
Huh?
a girl can chat, but a girl could have never touch me. And a girl can always talk when they want to talk about. Long as they not touch me, we go.
And
Go on where you
remember,
go.
This apartment is for water.
I
People
don't
like who
business.
don't bathe, who
Look
don't
at me.
frown.
Look at me,
You-
girl.
you need to
Look
go
for
and
me.
buy roll
Look
on
for
and
me.
all those stuff because they're very smelling right
And
now.
your mouth wants some jeers, girl. Your mouth.
And
Right now
whenever
you
you
talk.
open up and
Right now
I
you
make
talk.
change,
Your mouth
so
wants
you
some
need to go
jeers.
and wash
Your
up.
mouth wants some
Very
jeers.
out of order.
All your face want jeers, girl. Go on where you go. Not even bleach can help you. Not even disinfectant. You're bright and out of rubbish.
Crosses.
A girl can chat, but I could touch me. That's I'm
I would want to touch somebody like you because
Me
all the
don't
diseases
talk.
that you're
Me
bringing
don't
around,
talk.
it cannot. Me don't want to come and
No,
affect
mama,
me.
no, mama. This
You
somebody that
understand
can't
me?
full up a disease.
I'm gonna tell us
This
something.
somebody that
You
cannot
see,
full up a
you're gonna
disease.
meet the wrong person on the road.
Look
one
at me,
day.
girl. Clean. This somebody that can't full up a disease. Check. Hey,
Are you
mama.
one clean?
Mama.
Huh?
Check.
Are you
Go
one
check
clean?
yourself. You know, go check yourself. Go and go check yourself because I could have never me talk about
You know who
disease.
else? Who me for
I
that
could have me
talk?
talk about disease.
Who me for that talk?
I want to this girl
Yeah.
and I see, look, you see, I don't have a disease, so no big and fat, I don't have a disease.
At
You
least
see how many
rinse
clear
your mind
maga,
proper.
me no have no disease.
At
I
least you
don't
know
have
how
a disease,
to
and I don't
carry
walk with disease.
yourself.
Girl, go on before you make a spit touch me and the disease reach for me. Go on.
Crosses.
Go on. I want to see me so. I must see that junker. I know over here so. I must see, why? Fire, nastiness, girl. You could have chat, but a girl could have never
Public
touched me.
report, yeah. I
I
miss another one for the people. I mean, you tell us, what's your color? What's your choice? Why you don't respect me for the color that I choose? Hey, you acting a fool, and we're living under one roof. You
My dog. You want me general? Yeah, I'm a god man.
Yeah, one father, what one? Long time no see man like you.
Yeah, G, you know, say, pay things. Want to your phone, you know, so I kind of link up on the bird and now get choked.
You know, say in real life, though, I know me a call that they bury the mash up a long time.
Alright,
Everything
signal down.
Wreck.
That's a code, man.
Correct.
But you want to go on now, no?
Mm.
I link me come link you still, you know. Because you know, you know, say, thing are going right now.
So yeah, say
You see me?
badness.
Well, I'm not really badness yet, you know. Politics are now, you know. So I don't know, you know what you have to do for me still right now. My line up all I G them, all I gangster them, the whole I warrior them, all I step of them, and get them active. You see me? That means if I say the signal up. That more I do for me, killer. You see me?
No, say in real life, though, father, I don't want to in a politics business, though. In real life.
Alright, you are going to know me for me understand what you are saying, you know.
Mm.
But remember, sir, never we come set this, you know.
Mm.
The band come see it and it's a cause. So we not really do badness. We just have to G them up, the gangster them up. That means say anything we prepare field. And I can't believe so that I chicken out from like I get soft night.
No man, nothing like that, my father, man, nothing like that. But you know, this is the sudden sub. You just there go and see if me can lock you on one place, man. You just sudden so you from the
You see enemy, my friend. Enemy just come sudden. Violence just come sudden. You see me? So right now I link you, I feel so you're supposed to active. So when you say you're active, are you not active?
I make a call, my father.
Alright, do your right thing, you know.
I
You
make
see
a
me?
call.
And one more thing, bad dog. Get a phone, me G.
Yeah man, watch
Nigga
out, man.
like you, you're supposed to have a phone on your foot. You see me?
I do you right, my father.
Room, one in a head, nothing in a chamber. You hear that?
Believe me,
Room.
general, believe. Yo, I free now bad raps. No one say, me I want one bad mission for me to go and do up. You want one bad word, you know? Yeah. Alright. Alright. Come on, man. Yeah, just link up. Alright.
Consular. Father.
Okay.
I pray, mama.
There,
There, man, head up on. Look nice, though.
yeah. Thanks.
So now this is spec out where you're forward from.
Excuse me?
I said, no, this is spec out where you're forward from.
Oh, I'm just doing take a walk.
Or you just take a walk. Stretch your feet, them, and something.
Yeah. I can't stay in a house every day.
You're smart. Your dress look nice, too, man.
Thanks.
Like you're in a green thing.
Oh no, I'm not into that.
What you mean you're in the green thing? Remember, say you're general, your father, a big politician, you know. And then man
so?
run both here, you know.
And so what if my father that? Not because my father that no means I'm go walk in my father's footstep. I have my own footstep to walk in.
You have a point still, you know, but I still have to say it again, although you tell me, say, you're not a politician. Remember, your dress still look nice on you. So regardless if you don't like what I say, still look nice.
Thank you, but I'm a father by dress, and because I'm a father by dress, I have to wear it. You understand? So, I'm not in a politician thing. I'm
See
a
the
Christian.
pray. But I like how you please the father. But anyhow, as I talk about your father, I generally not going to link, you know. Big man, you know. Where him there?
Oh, there, in Grandpa some campaign thing back up the line.
No.
Among some people.
What you said? Your father not there and gone for some campaign thing up the line?
Yes, it was, let me tell you, he never like he just get a call and he just have to rush out same time. So he never planting. So most of the people them down here not gone with him.
I understand about the rest of people I'm not gone with him.
Yeah.
But what about me when right hand? Or if
I
you leave me right hand?
I understand that, but it was just a phone call. I'm sorry about
Anyhow, big up yourself, as I say you look nice and you dress same here.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Me link your father, man. Just, if you see him, tell him to me pull through here.
Yeah, man.
Respect
no
here.
Bye.
Father, my general, Mr. Counselor. Go on. There, man. Coloring book, you come like you know, remember me. You know, see my number?
No, man, I know it's you, man, but I know that the call me is something you need. So, what's the problem?
Well, you're right. That's why you're counselor, because you're smart. Or something me need, but I'm just make you know, say, yo, at that time, you know, the time of the year. So you me a link, you know.
Well, you can't check me today, you know, because I'm in St. Elizabeth.
As I talk about St. Elizabeth, you're up there with the left hand down, and your right hand down, you so. So remember, say you pick me out of one group, with your foot, in any situation, any difficult. So I don't know why your left hand up and your right hand down, so. Why me there, so? Because I just come from your yard.
No, listen, you have to take care of kids down there while I'm up here.
But father, I try to make you know, say, you will show me and tell me, say, yo, you jump out, and, you know? But anyhow, I understand. So what you say now? What you say I go on for the collection now? Because I time my ear now, you know.
Well, I try to see if we can win a seat, you know, so I need to come up with some new method.
Yeah, try to see if you can go win a seat. I not try if you try, you go win a seat there. So you see people them want push and help you to win a seat there. Make some collection reach them in the church or some offering my father. When me feel link you?
Well, I will tell her when they can link me, but you know, you have to take time with the tithes and the money. We can't just issue it out so like that.
Alright, you want to go on? Just show me. Yeah, give me a shout here. Now let me shout you back, please.
Alright, when we come on west, I'll shout.
Yeah, and one more thing. Just remember the people that will help you to reach where you reach here.
Oh man, them good, man, them good.
Make sure. Big up yourself, Mr. Counselor.
Alright.
Bad dog! Show!
Watch him, man.
Show! Jesus Christ, my daddy, man.
Wait.
Head up on.
They are cool up, man.
Forward, yes or no?
No, you know, do one dog, carry a book and so something for those easy person a little bit.
Dog, take away your shoes.
Yeah, man, and it's like in the shoes and the back up.
Hello, my name T-Dog, I say I'm not like, no dog, you know.
Tell the brother.
So head up on.
Jesus Christ.
Jaja, you.
Good
Link
to
me
see
come
you.
link here now. Time, you know.
What kind of time now? Jesus Christ, man.
Time, my father. What you mean take time to? What you mean?
I just remember. You remember one girl when we meet at one bar? Good look a while now. One Indian girl and thing showing slim and yeah. Me and she kind of depend on a certain thing, but
So you don't know, so you show.
easy man, see it. She know, man. She know. You answer me and say, but everything good. So what going differently?
Well, you know, so them there still big man thing. I counsel, I just come off my phone with them. I say me I come link you. In a real life, cause big man thing, you come like a counselor, girl on me, you know.
No, man, that's the same say sometimes, man. I good the money in a certain weight or complete with him plans, man.
You know me not like when people grow on me, cause sometimes I go to school, I sit down at the back And sometimes I sit down at the front. So when people are growing me I go remember say me in the back of the class.
Yeah, true.
So me not really want to pray that, because I have to tell him, say, yo, make sure, say, which part you there, remember the people them, we put you there. Remember say, me and you one of the strong-hearted man, you put him there, say, you know, bro.
I will talk, man.
So me not like, but anyway, move, you know,
No, can't move right now. I have to just organize certain things first, but give me some time, man, because you know, I know say right now, when you come check me, everything legit for certain levels, you know what I mean, but I'm not really ready yet mentally, and I'm going to organize everything with you know what I mean? So if I talk about certain things and set it first before I can say ropes, you know? But, you know, it's all good, man. So only thing I can guarantee you now is that continue to link up a counselor so we can actually know when to, you know what I mean, step certain way. Because, you know, it depends on campaigning time ready, man. So
all the counselor tell me, say, way up so him there. So me I'll ask him, say, oh, you up so? And your left hand up there, so your right hand there, so.
Campaign?
And not shout me, for me shout you. What kind of style that? You will tell me, say, me if you take care of on the ground. You man, you let me know, say, you am push. I am data, me go link. A matter of fact, I even link, me go link in data. I him, me go link and see in data.
Oh.
You know, me not do mix up. I fix up, me do.
Yeah.
But me see him data and a nice green dress on me, I say, oh, I go, mama. Mama say, man, of politics.
That's the one that was, I want Christian one. Remember, say she kind of always, fully and things.
I'm Christian.
I be a church, church you go. Because, you know, even one time, you know, pray certain things, you know. But because, you know, say, everything went kind of set away, so me have to ease off. Because I'm good looking girl, not you? Sexy and round and rosy and sitting there.
You can't believe I'm a Christian.
Put away the... You know what I say? It come like say. You know, say I'm really mad for you.
Come on.
What is someone that in me yard with green? My friend come out and go out of me yard with. This man in there with green.
Yo.
Easy what? What me for easy with?
I drink again. I drink your butter, I go drink.
You ever see me a drink? You ever see me a drink easy with what?
Everything good, man. Everything good. Respect yourself. Yo, miss out.
Yo, me I call. I call a man there.
Who that?
You
pastor?
Yeah.
Alright, yo.
Yeah.
Wait, respect, yes, sir.
Fire, come on to me yard.
I'm not getting embarrassed, sir.
Listen to me, don't fling off me hand.
When you fling off your hand?
Yeah, you can.
Where you come from? And I come go on my bridging that in for where you come from, you know? Eh? You be still make it color thing and get to your head again.
So who business if far you come from, eh? I could have choke my response. You know, say no sense. Me tell us, say me no want no leave.
Understand where you're going?
Let me go. Come like say no sense. Let me go.
We can't do this.
Idiot.
What mean idiot? Where you come from, eh? I want not work out.
Why you telling man to come in me here with the green pack? Eh?
Babe, I'm a friend, it no matter if...
Me not give a flying shit if I have friend. We are telling to come in with the green pack. You know, say no sense. You see from when you don't have no sense. And I take your charger and...
I'm gonna stay, son. Yo, easy, man, I'm relaxed. Watch out. Jump like a bat.
So you beat me up now. You see me go
Me?
tell the people them see you lick me now. What you see? Me go tell the people them see you lick me. I'm serious.
What do you mean say you tell
Me go tell the people them say you see what you do about
yeah, you're drunk or something.
You see what you do about
What me do while ago? What me do while ago?
Slam out, that's my no rum.
I'll be a rum up on your mouth.
It's no rum.
Where you come from? I question me ask, where you come from?
I come from a road. And guess who me see?
Who?
Matter of fact, guess who passed me? Your friend when you America passed me. I'm a burn some fire upon her, go and burn some fire upon her come. This is me not like, no,
Alright, calm down. Relax.
Crosses!
Jesus.
Lord, the big greenness alone. Lord, the greenness them alone. And we don't talk.
Alright, just ease. Just relax, man.
Excuse.
What mean excuse? Where you go?
Just excuse now. Excuse out on my side.
What mean on your side?
You see, you don't love me, no, you
Jesus.
don't love me. When you say me, you love me, you would have gone for the gang and pick the green side. You don't love me, I'm not left me, I'm come back on my mama yard.
No, relax.
Stop, let me go.
Just relax. Calm down. Cover them some food. What's going on some food now?
You don't love me. Come
Relax.
on in there, then I really gonna pick a green side.
No.
Left.
No, relax. Here, I eat some food I know. But I don't even have a boot to put on. You burn me boot, you burn me green boot. Me and brushing come here every time say a dog, take away boot down and you burn up it.
If you love me, walk barefoot.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Public report, yeah. I miss another one for the people. I mean, you tell you say, what's your color? What's your choice? Why you don't respect me for the color that I choose? Hey, you acting a fool, and we're living under one roof. You say green and I say orange. That's my choice, baby. Why every girl they call Pinky got a stinky attitude?
One. I was the messed up. I was the messed up. I must be dead jumped up. I know over yourself. I must be
Crazy. What? Hey, you acting a fool, and we're living under one roof. You say green and I say orange. That's my choice, baby. Why every girl they call Pinky got a stinky attitude? Anything what you say still, but me I choose what me choose.
one.
What you mean, something to go on? I can't take the problem, you know. Yeah.
Oh, this I remember about all this and you know. Trying to get more want to prove him. Yo, I pray.
Yeah, man, I read up and down, man. So you say around there? Hold on. Oh my God, man. Pinky! Alright.
Yeah, you know, say I show test still do cause I true me know say then yeah right somebody fi call my mind run pan you at the moment, you know. Yeah. I know say some tool me you want borrow from you do in a real life.
Active, man. Yes, man. Just a matter of time we just get up everything.
No man, I want one mission me have to go up on, you know. And the priest say, yo, me you want make one piece of food or fight same me and my friend. So me say me I call link and see if me could get the tool them you got up there. Can borrow it, you know.
Voila. Forget some talk to her last night. Disagreement. I can't explain that. Alright. Yeah. Ready, man. Yeah. Me I come. See?
Yeah. Just alright, Watch out, just line up them. Me I come pick them up. Yeah. Alright. No man, me I walk go down the road that's the same way. So me so far with your foot.
Yeah man, right now. Boy, but you see, it's no man, me a forward, brother. Yo, I'm gonna tell you a thing sometimes if you understand, you know. What you say about no man? Yo, stop it joking, man. Me a forward. Yeah, that's all.
Look more. Jaja God, what a good thing me show the dog.
Where they go? You link up Regine. Yeah. You link up Bolby. You remember me at about last night?
Yeah, babe.
You remember?
Oh, so.
Oh, I see. That you remember.
So what?
Alright, listen. I'm gonna go real corona come on our car, right? Remember you say you love me, you know?
But
you love me, right?
But make you if I'm about it, me love you.
You love me, right?
Yeah, me love you.
Alright. So, like when you love me, you can prove it to me, say.
By showing up.
Yeah, change.
What change?
Change over to this side.
What do you mean change over to this side? What are you talking about? Alright, listen.
Change over to this color.
Me never say, but listen, the love what I have for you, I tell you, say, me not go show certain things, me not walk with certain things, me not jump on certain side and something by not walk in the house with the kerchief from Nick or nothing. You realize me, my wife? You realize that? Me talk to you, talk to me now.
So what you say? Alright, like when you love me, wear the kerchief.
Like how you mean wear the kerchief?
We see, you know, remember saying no woman, you know, so you don't really put it on the head. Put it for your hand and tie you.
Come
tie
on, stop.
And make it wet.
How you sound right now? You sound ridiculous right now, eh? So if you walk on with color, I feel sure you love it. No, listen to me. That don't make no sense right now. Me I tell you that, eh? Babe, me love you in my yard, me love in the house. What me not show certain things. Oh what?
You see what I talk about?
What mean you see
what I talk about? You see what me really talk about? You see I really don't have no sense. Eh? Look, don't touch me. You see I really don't have no sense. And that's why I don't like you. You see I don't have no sense. Eh? What me talk about last night?
Me calm me down. Listen.
You calm me down and me say me a stay. You feel like say you come back and change your mouth.
Me not change your mouth. You are change your mouth right now. You're talking about weird. Just relax, mom. I don't want to walk. At them the time, I'm not want to draw.
You know say I cross it.
You mean to me I cross?
I cross it. I want to print out.
Come here.
No bother with me. Come here now. Come here. Hi. Hey.
I'm a marine, you know, my undershirt marine.
Hey.
Babe, just relax, man. I'm a clothes. Some of the food, I'm a clothes.
So you plan to kill me off?
What mean kill you off? I'm take care.
You plan to kill me off, so you have any...
Me take off. I'm a undershirt, now I'm go sweat.
You know what? You see if I need one thing, I burn you up.
Babe,
if
just
I need
relax,
one
man.
thing,
Alright.
Get rid of it. You know what? I'm going to me yard.
Just relax, don't
No,
do
me
that,
go me yard.
Why you go
Mrs. Say you don't love me, just chat enough. And chat don't love me at all.
Alright, give me kerchief. Come on, understand what it's gonna prove to you. So I love you. You can't even cook.
Oh God. Wow. Want me to type you?
No, I'm good.
Wow, you see, babe? Oh my God. It looks so perfect. I love you.
I love
You love me too. Remember, no, don't take it off, wear for you whole day. You have to wear for the whole day. So, see, when you pass your friend, them a color, and they say, you just give them a little cranky smile, like,
Where you
Hi,
come
and
from?
that's
Where
it.
you come from? That me ask. Where
I
you
know
come
where I come from.
That's a simple question. Where you
Me
come
left
from?
off I road, me go down a place where them have a look round table. They get together with suicide. You understand? And when you look over the next side, you can see the next color, the next dirty color. Over by the next side, I have get together and have people over on suicide.
Alright, babe, later. Love you. Come.
Love you too.
You have cook for me today, no?
Yeah, me cook for you.
So you have cook.
Me cook some curry turkey neck and white rice.
Later.
Yeah. What say? They look perfect.
Just put that shit
Me
there.
not touch it. Hang your pot there so. Hang your funny wire out there so. Over here. Hang your funny wire. Perfect. Can I touch up all the fresh gold too? That's how you go. Bye, love ya.
Hello, Bobby. From morning me I call you, me not get you. What happen? Anyway, me know you can't go make your church tomorrow, as what you say, because you have other things to deal with. But if you can make it, please come. Listen to me carefully. Because me realize that everything you take for joke, you not take nothing serious. Why when people talk to you, you not take life serious, Bobby? Me hate that boy, yo. Where you there? Because and I like say me I worry about you, you know. It's just that me just call you and me not get you, but me I wonder what go on. Me not worry about you or not, me just I wonder what go on. But me not believe you. No, me not believe you. Which part you there? Because me don't know if other places you're there from which part you say you're there, you know. Me just left out of my house, cause guess what? Anywhere there me I come right now. Are you want this, you know? Are you see me and pick me up in and you know, say me a Christian, me a church girl, you know. So you say anything I get, you take it. Now you say you love me. Now you say you're going married to me. Exactly. Bobby, stop laughing now. You stop laughing, man. Me a come. Me left out of me yard already. Me dey on my way. So make sure you see you're there so you're there. That's all I can say to you. Later.
Please don't break my heart, cause all that's left is just a little part. She's begging me, please don't take my hand. If it's gonna end up in a one night stand, just the truth.
Yeah. You take your hammer and it's sitting there. And the tape measure. Yeah man, me don't tell you. Yeah man, my brother, him have a little work to go match up, man. You know, I take more than half an hour. But we see what I go on, but you go on with things, man. What you say? Your finger bust. Alright, you hope you get well soon. Yeah, man. Just a matter of fact, you have to call me, your camera come put on. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm telling my brother I do like work fast and quick and fast. No, I'm tell you, say, man, no money, brother. What I'm telling you, man, we have got that money route, man. The school, man, a favor you do for me. Look how much things, yo. Bertie. That no worth it. Bertie, relax, Bertie. See? Alright, cool. Half an hour, man. Yeah. Alright.
Go on. No lang ya me asa wait for my youth.
Brother, I will that you say, you know long. You tell me if you kind of link up a bridge and get them sitting there, brother. What? Alright.
Respect. No, respect still, my friend. No, give thanks to your way. So look, so, my youth, you don't know say. I want, I even want youth. I chew you know youth. Sure you want one free.
Jesus Christ.
Sure you want one free. You know what I say.
Hold on, punish in the meantime.
Yeah. No. Say I want one eight. No. No. Say I want one. No. Politics man. Data.
Would America?
You know what?
What do you mean, say me know? Of my people them from around, so but
yeah, man.
I want to right now.
You know, say between me and you and bridging me, I go show you a place.
Mm.
You know, say I chop on 50. 50,000 off fine.
Idea.
No idea, man.
Boom,
But you know, that's why I go dig up there and sit here too. Cause you don't know, say, I want to shut them and I used to wear go help on my bridging them.
Mm.
I have to dig up back. Me even, you know, members say me have in idea, you know.
Boy, not easy at all.
The members say me not have it. But what you know? Right now,
Jesus
mama de
Christ.
pani we say my call link me right now, my friend.
Mm. So hold on. Boy, not easy at all. So you're choppy. So hold on. I want girl who take things serious now. And impact, as you know, say, run certain things. I mean, if you impact about right now, I don't go to
Channel my friend. No man, that's what I stay, man. Channel my friend.
Mm.
So, you know, say nothing out to your mouth, because I remember a few people, you know, and me a friend, you know.
Nah, man.
But you know, afar me, I come, no man, that no sound, no man.
Brother, you know, you miss nothing, brother. You know a thing already.
Alright then.
All me I say to you, say, give me a thing out tight. Me now tell you, say, if you give me 5, 10 or 15.
Just
As I say, give me something out tight.
No, that's what, you're my friend. But you at least do for you.
Alright.
At least.
One member say, no, half an hour man say, you know, so make sure you do the thing fast so we can collect it.
Seal. That's why me all mash up here already.
I tell you, boy.
You mash up, I know a problem.
And you know what I'm saying, Virgin? I licking big finger and bossy and gonna doctor, you know.
So come
So couldn't get him and two them, you know what I mean, come say, boy, rope straps. But, alright.
But you know, where you go there?
Call me, man, because you know, boy, be a problem here. Come on, talk to you, but what do you think? Money, yeah, man, money.
Money is everything. I go down here, so when you forward back, me deal with you.
Shout me, see? Hope I get you.
Yeah.
Alright.
This song, all that's been missing. There's just all that's missing. No. That's all she needs. She's begging me, please don't break my heart. Cause all that's left is just a little part. She's begging me, please don't break my heart.
We about call me dirty clothes them, cause when I'm bridging call me say, oh, I'm going to do some look up. Woke up on the yard now in the evening, you know. Just I come off and I have to go back to help my bridging.
Anything else about you? Well, you look sincere.
How many cases are?
Because you have your hammer, you have, I don't know what that name again. And you
power
have
saw.
your tape measurement. So, me believe you know.
So you say, I can't get a look a piece of food there if say I go give me call. Today, me I use this here, you know. And you mash up on the people in work. And I borrow it, you know.
Alright then, Bulby. I'm going to give you it, you know. But just know, say, when me give you like the money there, certain things seal between me and you. You understand what I say?
Just believe in Bulby, man.
I believe in
Put your trust in Bulby.
I do. Because you see the last relationship, the boy only did use me because I'm a father money and because my mother have a pharmacy.
Nothing like that, man.
The boy did use me because I could always give money.
Nothing like that. Bulby is different. No man, Bulby is different. Bulby is like 1 in a million.
You sure, Bulby?
Believe in Bulby, no man.
Bulby,
put a
me
trust
don't
in
want
Bulby.
no, me don't want get no heartbreak again, you know.
No man, no fi break your heart. I found no
You,
glass. Here, why me don't do that? I polish it every day, every night. Polish your heart for you.
Bulby, me no joke, you know.
Then look on my face, it's a joke mark funny.
No, at first me say you not laugh. Me like a computer program right this time. But
And I normal, you know. The
no,
normal
a
to you, man.
serious thing.
Boy,
Bulby, so what you say? You can't come to church Sunday?
today I win.
Bulby, today is Saturday.
Oh.
Bulby,
Yeah, no man, I trying to remember say me have work for doing, so probably work all come up, me don't know, but me I go try my best to reach. Me I see if me could take half the day of work today.
you take that
Yeah man, me can take half the day, man.
they can take half day Sunday and
I
then you
work.
go come to church.
Yeah, that me the plan for do still, I know.
Bulby, remember what me tell you last time. If I not come to church, you know. You go over between me and you know, your face you joke me and me
No,
feel
me
like
never say a joke, yeah,
a
make.
serious talk me depend because me no want nobody complain and me garden and feel like they can use me.
I make every time you want me come to church, you pull the little line upon me.
Me have to pull it by you because I'm telling you, uno man uno use this a think, uno use that they think.
So, no sir. No sir.
Let me know, sir. I truth.
No sir.
It's the truth, Bulby.
The truth for what you think, that's what you think.
The truth for everybody. Everybody knows. So when you say you go work now?
No say if tell you the truth though. My virgin call me say want me come knock up something the field though and cut down something on one wall and put up.
You know say this mash up so you go
Then they hit
use
me, I tell you say I hit me there use today, but he tell me say want me cut up something for him and now me no know what to do. So I'm glad me see you to tell you say right now I'm glad if you could have make me get something today for that me could have buy back.
So I know you would have buy if you got that.
No, me no buy no for do it.
So this can
This
do
could have do earlier. This could have deal with earlier morning. Me I say I want hands out. Then me have to go use it.
Answer. But this go faster than the answer.
That's why me do want this.
But me go send you it. Me go just send me an account number.
Why?
Bulby, what is that?
You know how long me no see an account.
What
Much
you mean?
less for send one.
Bulby, what do you mean?
Yeah man, me no too believe in like banking. You know, me like money in hand or money somewhere, but not the bank. You know sir, bank now get no interest off of me. You know.
But me never carry no cash on me.
Well,
me I forgot dry money and meet me somewhere or something
alright.
because me not have no cash seat there. And my phone and I could have sent it through my phone. But you need to look for an account. If you're par with me, you have to have an account because me not
You have an account already, no? If now you go there, you have an account already.
Yeah.
What me want to do? Me don't want an account, man.
What do you mean? Me want an account?
No, sir, me don't want.
But you're supposed to save your money. What you do with
Yeah,
your
but
money when you get
alright,
your
that's why
money?
I'm glad you have an account. So if you go save, we save together. Like, why we need? Now you go there. Why we need two accounts?
What?
For true. Why we need two accounts?
No, but you're supposed to have your own account for yourself. I have my own account because I'm not gonna give you my bank card because Unuma not if go over there so right now.
But that I think about it. You can always try and come give me.
What a waste of time, Bulby.
No,
I don't have time
so you
for
call
that.
me. So
I
me,
rather use my
you call me waste of time. That
No,
you're
me
calling
not.
me.
No, Bulby, I'm
Yes,
not
but you
calling
say
a
what
waste
a
of
waste of time it is.
Bulby, me not calling a waste of time. I'm just telling you that me not gonna have time for that bank every time to draw money. Me rather send it through.
No man, not every time you have only special occasion like things where like emergency, the word.
This I get really serious like right now, like me don't really understand what I'm going. But me drive money, so where you go to bed or whatever. You bed and link me up back or what? Or if you go
Yeah.
dry and come back.
Yeah, me I dey right down your road down here so still. So me I dey right down your road there, so just
How
call.
much you say want again?
Do you even remember, you know?
Oh, you finna remember your money and you want the money
yeah,
for their business. You're supposed to know.
Oh, yeah, remember now. About 50,000 for sure. That can cover everything.
50,000.
Yeah, man.
No problem. That's fine by me. You will get the 50,000.
Alright. I walk good on you so still. So when I deal with that, you just call me and me and you just breeze a little bit more here.
Alright.
Me did on you so.
Bulb.
Actually, me dirty, me didn't even want to give you no hug still, you know.
That good. Later.
You sure you're good? Alright, later.
Oh, Bulby.
Yeah?
Remember, when me give you money,
Mm-hmm.
it's seal between me and you.
Yeah, man, no problem, man.
I
No,
don't feel like I can get away with certain.
no man. Watch out, man. Mwah.
Thank you, guys.
Me go pan you look up. Me tell you say me go pan look up. Mash me up, man.
Well,
Me all of me pray up. Yes, me have to lean up on wall.
you look tired for sure. So you hungry too?
No, sir, me alright, man. No.
So where told them there?
I know, say to tell you the truth, them me left them down on bridging car. You could run there just one at a time, them, you know. And you don't know if none there just downtown when you go down there, but up here now, run there just one at a time, them, and me I said, no, sir. Can't make the people in tool get wet and mash up on me fully. Because it take me just now, if the water catch it, that I go mash up. This done mash up, I mean, I want it fully mash up. Because look parts can change out there, you know.
I understand. But anyway, I make a kaleki. So before I make you.
Yo, you know, say I don't like them game when you play with me though.
I'm not playing a game, I just try to make you
I'm gonna
understand.
tell you if you believe
So
in
once
me
this
and
reach
trust
a
me.
different relationship, you know. Relationship just a beginning.
Yeah, man, I no problem, man.
Seriously.
Yes, man, I'm tell you don't tell me, I don't tell you something you go get married. Alright, you did tell me. But me did tell you, yes, man, we are married and everything, settled and everything. Think about the future
But
after.
before we married, you know, you have to propose to me, right?
No problem.
So
No
when that go happen?
Soon. Believe in me. Put all of your trust.
But you have to work.
All of your hopes and all of your. Just put all light in me, yeah, man. Yeah, go married.
But you know, so you have to work for buy a ring, though, because I not going to give you
No,
money.
me never tell you some more you give me money to buy a ring.
And my ring not cheap.
Never say your ring cheap neither.
Anyway,
So
so
what kind of ring you want still?
one ring with a big diamond in there.
Oh, no one diamond mine still, you know, me have to go check and see if we can get some of my big diamond them. Don't make you laugh. Don't make you laugh.
I'm not here.
Alright.
So everything alright, you know.
Yeah, man, everything alright. Me must me get you know.
You get it?
No, you me attack.
Oh, me.
So me get you.
Oh,
Yeah, I remember say me have a big diamond ring them to go buy a plate, you know, cause me don't know probably me don't know when me I go get the diamond ring they still cause for your diamond ring to where your sound is sound well big.
no.
When me I go get the big diamond.
Exaggerate right now.
How big your diamond for this?
It's not for that big, bro.
And then Rick Ross ring them.
Like
Oh,
something like
little like pebbles.
yeah,
What like the name?
yeah, something like that.
Oh. Yeah, man.
So alright.
Yeah, man.
I remember say make sure say you get it tool then. We are supposed Later. Me get one phone call. Yeah, me have to go because me get one phone call.
Alright.
So me call you, yeah?
Yeah, man, me there later.
Huh?
Me reach up.
Alright, no problem. Hello? Daddy? Daddy, what you talk about? How much money come out of your account? Daddy, listen to me. Me not take no money out of your account, so you cannot ask me. Remember, saying me alone have access to your account, so why you me first you have to call anytime money is out of your account? You're going like so me always a spend off your money, Daddy. I me don't like that. When you not call brother, suppose a brother use the money. Me not draw no money from when. Daddy, check your account again. Probably something go wrong. Probably they thief your money from you or something because I be a bank problem I go on nowadays. Well, me not take no money. I me not have no money, so you can't see me. Daddy, me up on the road. Me just can't take a walk. No, me no walk with no bodyguard because me no need that. Me walk with bodyguard for me, you idiot. Me can protect myself. Me alright. Daddy, you treat me like some little girl. Remember, say me a big girl now. Alright, me up on my way I come. Later. Yeah.
Walk up, my brother, come in, man. Brother, I think this a waiting a lot and a normal waiting. Eh? Hope you get through, you know.
Why? Stick again in the
Yeah, don't let it go.
No, sir, no.
Let it go now.
Stick again in
Wait, okay. Brother, you must tell man call me and say man him told the man said to me, say boy, if he thinks I'll waste my wasting time. Brother, the man call me, yo, I get upset. But you get through.
Boy, you know what I'm saying in real life though. Little something me get come and tell me about bank account. Bank account.
So you send to your bank account?
The bank account him a tell me about, my friend. Then we send you, I don't know when you say I send you, know.
So hopefully by this evening or tomorrow?
I don't know.
Oh.
I remember, you know, you might tell me when you get in your heart broke already, probably in trick me too, you know. I don't give me no money and tell
that's true. That's true.
I don't know, my
Can't
friend.
work out that way, for sure.
Well, I don't know. I wish I knew too.
Well, me hope say everything work out still, speedily, you know what I mean? Because not take a little change on idea, because I be things are going, brother, be things. You know what I mean? You remember one boy that a coloring book? He used to do that, you know? And I thought about the fact, say, campaign, come up and sit and, you know, I say, he might try call the counselor. Same woman, where there with father, you know, I try call the counselor and counselor tell him a kind of story about rate, about they ain't no money and all them things.
Then other chat about coloring book, you don't know what's saying link nowadays.
And so what?
Tell me say him same thing what you tell me say.
Get out.
And I get up. May I make you know straight up say right now. Can't manage out there task right now, you know. Yeah, man, it's a bit over this.
Up. Yeah, man. You tell about that brother, bro. Yo, man.
When we are
Everything
talk
good.
about, but no, that we are talk about. When we
Yeah.
are talk about right now, that the man there tell me say, him want me rise up some soldier. Figure up on something like a politics time, I know, you know, when that the time they reach and say,
Money, him a talk, but money. He know say well, the council want some security and thing. And the mother say security, but the council want know say the youth them will come from down in the lane. You know, they want them to tell about him, you know. Yo, it's a brother. But everything good, sir. A different time. But yeah, he might, you know, say now, man, the council get up some people like I wouldn't say get up the community.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say just for make it look like things are
that
going
me
on.
not like,
So
I know,
but him, I will take you all like money.
That me I try show you, so me see all of this play out already. That's why I'm not too want going in politics business, my friend. Right now, I'm a colorless, my friend, because none of them can make me vote for them this year. I don't want to go run no parade for no man where I know say, yo, any idea, you know? Me and you are going to lose as a ghetto youth in a slum certain way, you know, my G. Yes, right.
No tricks in our business, but here I go. I'm going to drop over something.
Oh, what you know, man? You see, me I go do it, and I have to make sure say, my food did it before me even reach. I want it in my hand before me even step in a bombard.
Yeah, I read it.
I don't know, 5,000 business me I deal with, you know, a serious business me I deal with right now, you know. So what you know, man, if you're not serious, yeah, get a call.
Well,
what you know?
Well, yeah, man, me a fall right now with the two of them. Right now. Brother, yo, watch your tone, you know, brother, cause you don't, yo, alright, you know, I'm wrong. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Oh, you might get in trouble for you, brother. Make sure you give me a thing with that money, you know.
For your thing seal, my friend, man.
Watch you know, sir.
For your thing seal, me say, man.
Right.
Man.
You bring back your arm,
Yeah,
alright, you did it. Alright. So
okay.
we talk, yes, sir.
Yeah, my number, my youth. You know, call me if you call me to, you know.
I'm money, you link me up.
I know, say, me a few people them that I deal to, you know, make you not deal with me.
No, man, not like that. Everything good. See, yo, we talk.
I know, I'm a pre man. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Last time I told about we seen the name.
How would I run along?
You see last time I told about 50 company this company team and me there and you say you're not really in a them there something. So what you say now?
Girl,
Talk, you know.
then I thought young is not a senior thing. Anyways, me have no company but on one condition. I know me and the
You
room.
can condition and shampoo this stuff.
Me and the room and me go chat. Anyways, it is only if we can get. Let me see. How they call it? Wamal. But how they make it again? Remember? But let me wait. Let me put in the others first. Wamal, steel, cement, black. How else the house? Remember? But them something there. What can I? If that one, I will surely vote. But we have to get it first.
That is a really coming no, come on, stop a joke thing, no man. Stop a joke thing, man, my friend. Just tell me where you call me.
I don't call about that. The backside.
And this a really coming with you? Okay, hold on there. What you say, man? What you say? You just come to your senses. Listen. I remember saying me top quality, you know. Me a top girl part of the team there, you understand? And you see the campaign, you know. You see the campaign, and me, I go there on top of that girl, I bubble up my body. You know, see my face pretty. Eh? And me run things today, so my face pretty. Mine shop and me, I'll drive it.
Yeah.
Girl, my shop me drive here to become me not have no license. What they talk about? Eh? But girl, time come.
I want to get like this with you now. Everywhere you go, you have to have an orange. You can't get orange a break. Not something, no, because you don't have the team and a polish. Wake up. Wake up. I remember time now. Not see if you have an orange.
You look, you see me in a yellow kind in here to green.
You look like you breed so.
Oh.
And that's serious note though. Be serious now. You not talk about black car. When you steal. I really man me want. If me get that right now, cause me here, you come to me now and say, it's a possibility. Well, no, it's a possibility. You say anything me want, no, we get as long as me vote. But me want to see for myself. If I saw it go, obviously me vote. Me never vote a day in my life.
You know. Stop and worry yourself, girl. Eh? You don't know my things that already. You test me thing no normal, no girl. You type to her that I go like some thing lady you what? What you say? 1 yard a mile we get that brother.
1 yard! Me did say 1 yard. If I did 1 yard a mile, me could have go get it long time. That's about 2 grand or 3. I what?
Yeah.
I what?
What you mean, man? One load a mile.
Right, 1 load.
Yeah, you see,
One
backside, my friend, you see, at this me I tell you about how long. You see, I'm happy for you, girl. At this me I talk about how long. I'm just so glad, right? I'm just so proud of you, see, just put in your body in this right now. But don't worry yourself, man. You know, you know, see, I'm running things already. 1 yard, no. 1 load of mall coming right here. Don't worry yourself, just put in the vote. Put in the vote because time come. You understand?
I know that make me waste my time.
No, I'm going to make sure you get it.
I know me know someone get corrupt and grimy.
I'm going to make sure you get it because remember the time I come and tell you to vote. Me know, you see it? You tell me don't say I drop through your board. I tell you.
Hey! Come back right there so I never tell us that I drop through no board, mama.
Alright.
My board then still standing.
Me tell us you drop through your board.
Hello!
You come back now.
You
You see, you come back now, my friend. That's why I'm proud of you.
call and tell us that I drop through board.
That's why I'm proud of you. Remember saying, you know, me and you know, so the board is so good, so you want the man. But it's alright. You tell you, my friend.
You know, say if you're never my friend when me this you. Actually, I'm a friend for a longer time.
Yeah, come.
Sister, check the sister, check. Cause I don't like what I go on and me know what I go on. Sister, you know say daddy politician money missing. And me know, and you know say me know say, and you take it. So now bother come, go on like you want grow on the roundabout and say, you know, you way off it say.
Why anytime money missing out of the account, I mean for sooner after.
Then, I always do something there.
Brother, I don't trouble no money. I don't take out no money. I don't know what going on with the money. I want me you just come and attack me so. Man, you take your money, you know.
Watch out, man. What you mean, man, and me take your money? Sis, no bother with that, you know? You ever hear somebody go around with no money now?
You no bother with it because you are
Don't do that, man.
I can't talk about come. You see me? Eh?
Me no see you, but me know say you.
I don't mean.
You know when you know say somebody do something, that's how me know say you do it.
Question. And me alone have access to daddy account. You have access. Mommy have access. Daddy have access. The whole of you have access. So why am me a
sister, watch you know? You know why the biggest thing? Remember say that the money done short already, you know. And now that the money they gone, you know, when go do?
I don't know when go do.
Me know why you take it. Me nah laugh, man.
Brother, no.
If I you take it, just give me something out tight. Come take something out tight right now. Put on back my dog.
Jesus Christ, brother. Me don't know about that.
Yeah, must say around 50 or 100,000 gone.
How much?
Around 50 or 100, me not too sure.
So how not tax say money miss, right?
Mm.
I'm not sure how much money miss. Eh? Man,
when
daddy
daddy say,
take out the money and I remember
then
say
daddy
him,
would have
you
be a
know.
fool then.
Yes,
Thief and his own
because
self.
he will do it and I know say him, alright, you take it. And
Listen to
if
me,
you
I
say
say.
you take it,
Yo,
you know,
listen to me, I
and
say.
you take it, you know, and
Listen.
they come blame me, you know.
Yo,
Give me some of your money.
no make me have to warp on the
Give
road
me
there.
some of your money. Give me some
No
of
make
your
me have to
money.
warp
Give
on
me
the road.
some
Me
of your
know
money.
you have daddy money.
Give me some of the
Election
money.
right around the corner.
How would that affect me?
Vote for Labour.
Oh, blood of Jesus
I
again.
vote 50,000 you take from daddy. Give me some.
Me a Christian, me no voting.
What do you
I
say?
don't really care about that
What
and
did you
in
say?
politics,
Yeah.
whatever.
Where's your like a
Me a Christian.
Yeah, you take your little time going up the road there. Cause you
So
see
give me
you,
some of my
you
money.
sneak him, why you take your money? You sneak him.
I do take the money. Me feel see her this
Yo, no ram put me here.
So me can know I'm touchable.
Go on here, go on here. Go on here.
Watch money now.
Go on here, gonna see
Give
man.
me
I wanna
$1,000.
go on, man. I want you.
Me never get money now.
Go on, why can't I give? You have money already. Can you take daddy money and I want give me none? Go on. Go on, man. Wow. If you top wear green, can you not promote it right? Go on.
I think your clothes.
Go on,
Well, tell
sis,
them to
man,
stop
yeah.
buying me green
Go
clothes
on,
there.
man. Can you
So me
thief
not
out daddy
promote.
money? Go on, you not promote it in the right way. Go on, man.
Me don't thief no money.
Go on, man. You say I know you take it. Alright, later.
More
Yeah,
ice
your brother
cream.
love me. Me nah none.
More
Use daddy
ice-
money buy ice cream.
Daddy, me not trouble no money for true, brother. Seriously.
Then if I know you take it, who take it?
And
I
you
know me know
take
me.
it.
Who?
Listen,
You ever hear say me I take money?
Probably a barra it.
Me
and
not
a
do
member
that.
say a barra it, brother.
No do it. Me not do that.
You don't give me money for buy ice
Me
cream.
not have none later. As somebody me a wait for to pay the money. Cause I feel like they have something outside money with your teeth for me get.
Me don't thief no money on top say me a thief.
You're not thief, you take you up. You borrow it. Alright.
You don't give me money now.
Listen later. And a thief, you take it. Or borrow, cause you love borrow. Daddy. What you say? The money we're gone. You feel she send it to boyfriend? Daddy, to tell her the truth, I don't know about that there. No. I don't really want to get involved in it. No, Daddy, I don't know nothing about that. Daddy, my focus right now is school. September forward, I have to focus on college. So I don't want to get mixed up in that, Daddy. Yeah, me sure, I don't know nothing about it. Yes, Daddy. Alright. Daddy, you want me give him information and he not give me the money if he get back the money.
Come back. Darling. Why people them must have looked at him and I say, yes, man. Proud of him. My follow back our man footsteps. Hi.
I'm busy. See that?
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah, we see.
Proud of me? Whole day me walk on the road and me talk about the facts. Yo, you hear me? This is a really true way to go, you know what I mean? And we need a change, you know?
Yeah, man, proud of you. Very tough.
So you cook for you this time?
Yeah, man, the food. I cook the food, man. Where the world about be? Me?
I'm going to say that.
But anyways, let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow we are go on the road. Cause you see this side, this color.
But when you say we better one.
Tomorrow I go on the road, they have to come with me.
Come do.
Listen, we have a little.
No,
get
listen.
together.
Alright, I'm gonna share a vibe. See? Me don't prove to you that I love you. So there's no other proving me need to prove right now. So I know we are come talk when you come this and come that, baby. No, so me a silent person. And tomorrow me have a little business for start out. You understand what I say?
Which business have to start out tomorrow? Listen to me, you don't have no business to start out tomorrow. You just want to try to bring up some things just because you don't want to come now with me. Listen to me. You have to come with me, and that's the final word I'm saying to you. You have to come with me.
Come with the
And
condua.
me don't talk.
Yeah, but condua.
What you mean by condua?
You know something like crowd already.
What you mean by condua? Decide a keep a little thing and you have to come. Remember say you change over now, you know.
What?
Remember say you change over to this color, so you don't really have no say in this, and I have no back.
Babe,
You understand?
nobody take it for that level.
You,
Like,
you know say you see it. That's how I know say you don't love me, no.
Jesus,
You see,
why
you
keep
don't
us?
love me. Is that right? You don't love me.
Alright, tomorrow, what time? What time tomorrow? What time tomorrow?
What time tomorrow? We are going 9 o'clock.
But you have to go left me. No, go see me look food now.
What going left?
You have to go left me and then because I have a little thing to start out. Me not forward no babe. But me have a little thing to start out now, man. Me say me have come.
Alright.
Stop now, no?
All
Go on,
right.
go show it. Go. Give the food to me, please. We can't take it off, you know?
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up.
Alright, yo, I'll make this quick, you know. Come here, come with that.
Oh, yeah, man, no problem, boss. Alright, so you are going now. The whole thing with this whole election thing, me understand say under pressure and me have to applaud you for all the way you do so far and something. But the information we say you want now, me get it, you know. You understand? And one youth named Bulby and him and your daughter involved. See? And basically and him take your daughter money. You understand?
So, wait, me understand what you say. And him, my daughter spend the money on.
And him, yeah, 50,000. Yeah, 50,000. 50,000 you missing or more missing?
No, man, I don't really want to go down to the details until I really much.
Okay,
but
okay.
Just understand, say, some money missing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so I say, and youth, you know, it's not a bad youth, you know, because I know him long time still, you know, but it's just that he might just, you know, not understand the circumstances and how certain things supposed to run. You understand me, I say?
Alright, no say nothing more.
Yeah, man.
You
So,
don't have to tell me nothing more.
So remember the thing you say again?
Yeah, man, that's safe, man. Don't worry about that. Well, you want that now or you want to wait? Because here the thing is, you know, once my party stay in power, you know, you will have constant work coming in, you know. So you don't even have to worry about that money no when you want. I just want the money and that's it.
No, you hear me I say. Money is vital right now. Me have a woman where they on the other side. And me I tell you, say, the way you share move, bro, even for me, if you come link you right now, a problem. If she ever you say me, I come link you, brother.
Alright, you want to go on, you know.
So me need some.
Alright, as soon as me get back that money there from my daughter, I'm going to get it.
So what if you don't get back your money, boss? You can't make your thing look so.
Alright. Hear me out. Alright, check me a morning.
Check your money.
Yeah, man. We just make a few calls and get some money.
Remember me never there, bossy. See,
man,
just because me a virgin and you know, you helped me last year. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Everything good. And see if you can get your woman for vote through this time.
If you can get her to vote?
Yes, cause
Jesus will come down after the crossing, boss.
Alright.
She's stuck over this.
But you have to vote for it, right?
Yeah, man. I mean, I must vote for. Come on, man. Hey, let me make things sound, so, bro.
Alright. Alright. Do what you have to do. And maybe just link me a man.
Well, alright, so the only way I think she might could no, it's not right. I'll get time. Big up yourself, remember?
Alright, yeah, man. Lock your door. I don't care if you plus get off my seat, man.
Alright, boss. Sorry, sir.
Sure.
Good evening, Daddy.
Yeah, evening.
Yes, I know.
You must have wonder why I call it out.
Yeah.
Alright, so you are going. I realize that because of the whole election we have come up on the whole politics thing, it kinda affect your relationship we have. So we need to address that. Right?
Yes, Daddy.
But before me address that, I want to ask you something. I had some money in my account to deal with a big part of my campaign and a big part of me staying in power. And I only your name in my account. And my whole half of my money gone. So I want you to tell me the truth before we try and mend the relationship. The more you tell me the truth.
Daddy, me not trouble no money for you. And I'm trouble no money.
Are you that to take me for?
No, but me tell us say I don't mean trouble your money, Daddy.
Listen me. Me went down to the bank. And the bank show me surveillance video. And I you the panic tape. So listen me. Me I go want back my money. Listen me, man.
Daddy, what you mean you want you go what you mean you go want back your money?
Listen, man. Word in the street. So the money where you take, and that little workless boy bulby you have, I spend the money.
Daddy, me no
Listen, man.
Daddy, what you mean? Who tell her that, Daddy? Where you get the information from?
Listen. Me want you to stop the foolishness, you know. And don't take me for a damn fool. Me want back the money.
Daddy, how me gonna get back your money and me give away money already? Me give away money. That the money them must done in by tool and something, Daddy.
So me ask you a question. You want them come repossess the vehicle and kick me out of my house what me have?
No, Daddy, me no want that.
Then find back my money.
So Daddy, you can't find other ways of to get back your money. You're a politician. You know to get back money.
Listen, man. I don't know what you're implying, you know. If I thief, you want me to thief, you know.
Daddy,
But here what? I don't want to hear nothing more we have to say. Because nothing we have to make sense to me right now. Here what? Now give your ultimatum, you know.
Go on.
I need back my money by 12 o'clock tomorrow. And you see if you don't give me back my money, I may not see back my money in my account. You say, me I go wipe out Bulby.
Daddy, oh God, Daddy, you can't do that to me, Daddy. Me love Bulby, Daddy.
Oh, so you tell me say you love Bulby more than your father?
Daddy, me never say that, Daddy. You can't do that to me, Daddy, please.
So hold on, so you know, intend to fix the relationship between me and you?
Yes, Daddy, me intend to fix it, but you can't do that to Bulby.
Alright, you are good.
Daddy, please.
Where
Daddy, suggest something different, Daddy, please.
Alright, here what? Come on, tell me.
Daddy,
You have a choice. Choose. Come on, tell me.
Daddy, but only
One. Get back my money.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Public report, yeah. It's another one for the people. I mean, you tell us, say, what's your color? What's your choice? Why you don't respect me for the color that I choose? Hey, you acting a fool, and we're living under one roof. You say green and I say orange. That's my choice, baby. Why every girl they call Pinky got a stinky attitude?
One. I was messed up. I must be dead jumped up. I know over yourself. I was your
Crazy. What? Hey, you acting a fool, and we're living under one roof. You say green and I say orange. That's my choice. Every girl they call kinky, got a stinky attitude. Anything what you say still, but me I choose what me choose.
One.
What you mean, something to go on?
Hey, me can't take the problem, you know. Yeah.